Power of Python for DSS, Decision Support System, Vendors Quotations. Please subscribe to the channel and share it with your friends. Authors' videos and white papers on AI engines. Pradeep K. Suri. Author, researcher, and AI DNN architect. Book for your library. Scan QR code, bookstore in the cloud. Brief analysis of purchase data, in INR thousands. This data appears to be a summary of 5 quotations for different items. Here are some key observations. Total spend. The total spend across all quotations is approximately 21,168 rupees, 3,346.2 plus 3,824 plus 4,109.08 plus 4,610.27 plus 5,278.16. Vendor comparison. There are 2 vendors involved. Vend C92B4992E0204780EA0D898AD2D6818B1 appears in 3 quotations, item_2, item_3, and item_5. We can further analyze their offerings for these items: price, quantity. Vend 3D8B93B22D0D4E00BD0B9A86481030AC appears in 1 quotation, item_4. Vend 464A5B580B348FFBF55882B9A3B15A8 appears in 1 quotation, item_1. Without more data, it's difficult to compare these vendors comprehensively. Price per unit analysis. We can identify the following. Most expensive item, item_1, 77.62 rupees per unit. Least expensive item, item_5, 47.78 rupees per unit. It might be interesting to compare price per unit with total quantity purchased to understand if there's a correlation between price and bulk purchase discounts. Further analysis, if data is available. Item comparison. Analyze the purpose or category of each item, item_1, item_2, etc., to see if there are any trends in pricing or quantity based on item type. Purchase history. Compare this data with historical purchase data to identify any changes in price, vendor selection, or purchase quantities. This is a brief analysis based on the provided data. With more context about the items and purchase history, a more comprehensive analysis can be conducted. Details of the bar chart. Bar chart overview. The image displays a bar chart titled Total Price by Quotation. Here are the key components. 1. Vertical axis. Y-axis represents the total price in Indian rupees, INR. The range spans from 0 to 5,000, with intervals of 1,000. 2. Horizontal axis. X-axis lists 5 different quotation items, labeled as item 1 through item 5. Each item corresponds to a specific alphanumeric code. 3 bars. Item 1, INR 5,278.16. Item 2, INR 3,824.00. Item 3, INR 3,346.00. Item 4, INR 4,610.27. Item 5, INR 4,109.08. The tallest bar represents item 1, indicating it has the highest total price, while the shortest bar represents item 3, indicating it has the lowest total price among the 5 items. Insights. This chart provides a visual comparison of prices across different quotations. It can be useful for analyzing cost distribution and making financial decisions or comparisons. Thank you.